Okay, hello students. This is Coach John here, and today we are going to run through how to create a simple study plan for your next test or exam. Okay, a lot of times when we are given what to study, right? We will also have the tested topics as well. Yeah, so while it may seem to be overwhelming at first, you may also want to break the topics into subtopics, because for questions for topics like percentage, there's a lot. There's conversion, there's problem sums types with percentage. There's also decrease by, decrease to, increase by, increase to. Okay, so okay, so let's start. Okay, so for example, for Monday, after school, you rest, then you start work at 5 o'clock. And let's say you have area triangle being tested. You want to put here area of triangle, okay? Area of triangle. Yeah. And then slash say LOB book. Okay, so LOB book. Okay, okay, when you print this out, make sure that it's full A4, and then you expand it to as much as you can, or maybe you can create something like that, and then you just hit enter twice to make the space bigger. All right. Okay, so let's say if you feel that you need 2 hours instead of 1 hour to do this, and also please be easy on yourself. Have another 1 hour pocket to do it. Yeah, this time around probably exam papers. Okay, exam papers. Yeah. Then following that, maybe you want to have your dinner. Then 8 to 9, you want to do angles. Okay, this time round you will write school worksheets. Yeah, school worksheets are one of the best resource to go to for exam revision, because they actually shows the kind of questions that you'll be probably tested in exams. Yeah, so make sure that you go to school worksheets as well. Yeah. Okay, then next, let's say you have tuition. Yeah, LB kids, you have tuition with me for P6s on every Wednesday. So this is the tuition. Then since you have done maths for 2 hours with me, you want to rest. This one can be something else, say Chinese, maybe just to memorize beautiful phrases. Okay, so it's some memory work. Yeah. Then tomorrow on Thursday, no math tuition. Probably you want to spend 1 hour to work on, say, angles also, but the activity is memorize all angle properties. Okay, all angle properties. Yeah. All right. Then you want to do say Saturday fraction, and then but you want to do more of the heuristics one. Okay, so it's a heuristics type. By now, being a P6, you should know all 12. For P5, you should know all 12 types by mid of P5. Okay, so heuristics. Yeah. Okay, the reason why we do this is because you want to make sure that you really study everything and you are intentional in preparing. Yeah, a lot of times I know that you want to do well for your exams, you want to do well for your tests, but if I take a look at how you plan your study timetable, it will give me a sense of your commitment, as well as how driven you are towards getting your goal. Yeah, so if you want to do well, plan well as well. Okay, so put a WA1 tested topics on the left side, then you do strike off. Okay, so let's say there's percentage, there's fraction, there's ratio, there's geometry, there's triangle, there's a lot of other things which I think can be overwhelming for you. So from now until Feb, you will want to spend, say, break fraction into 3 sessions a week. Then you can do on just adding of fractions, subtraction of fractions, multiplication of fractions, then percentage, my bad. Yeah, then it'll be conversion. You'll be doing questions with decrease by decrease to, increase by increase to, GST, usual price, selling price, cost price, discount will be another session. Likewise for fraction, it can be conversion, it can be part whole using fractions, it can be fraction multiplication, one segment per session, then ratio same as well, then geometry probably 2 to 3 sessions, triangle probably 2 to 3 sessions. Then everyone of each session will have a time slot. Yeah. So I hope this helped, and want to do well, commit to your daily revision. Yeah, okay, so this is something that I expect you to do since you are in my class. I want you to commit and do your best. And I know that sometimes you get busy, you are tired. Yes, I know. At the same time, this is what it is, and want to get higher score, put in more effort and do more questions. Right, okay, I'll see you in the class. Take care, and let me know if you have any question. Okay, take care.